Hi guys! Well, thank you for watching Inday Talks, but today I'm not going to talk because my best friends is here. Mirinda!
Hi, I'm
Hello!
Mirinda.
Oh, you introduced me in your
No,
channel.
I haven't.
Okay. Okay, I'll be visiting her channel.
Hi guys, it's me Mirinda and I'm here with Inday and we're now doing a challenge. So I challenge him.
What is
Oh,
it? We are
her.
like a copycat? Or are we original?
I don't know.
Anyway, okay.
Because they are doing it, so we're gonna do it also.
But you're always making Mirinda all the time, so I'll be definitely a loser here. Okay, but I will fight you.
Okay, so this is the
Rule.
Chubby Bunny challenge.
Chubby Bunny. Oh my god, I won't be sexy after this. Let's do it?
Yeah.
Okay, what will be the rule?
So put marshmallow on the mouth as many as you can and
Without eating it and
without eating
swallowing
swallowing
it?
it.
But I love swallowing things.
Yeah.
Okay? So let's start?
Let's start.
Oh, bato-bato pek.
Who's gonna be the first?
Yeah, bato-bato pek. Bato-bato fek. Bato-bato fek.
Pick.
Yeah, I win! I'm always the winner in die.
Okay.
Okay,
Whatever.
so I'll get one now. Timer starts now. Ay, that's two.
Ew.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
You sounds like a loser now. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Should really have to say the word Chubby Bunny? Chubby Bunny. Just maintain beautiful girls like us should be,
Chubby bunny.
Okay. You know the marshmallow you bought is tastes like a bug. Tang ina. Ay. Chubby Bunny. I'm still beautiful.
Chubby bunny. How many?
I don't know. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Hmm. Chubby Bunny. I'm chubby now. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny. You're not eating it. You're... Tang ina. Pare, suntukan tayo dito. See the word. Hmm. I'm intelligence. I have a lot of tactics. Shit na buhay to, oh. Sabi ko. Chubby Bunny. Oh my god, it's killing me. Wait, I'm so fat now, oh. Go merienda, you eat a lot today. You have a lot of merienda. Mas na YouTube to. Chubby Bunny. Come on! I was a born winner. Tangina born. Parang sinunog ako sa impyerno. Tangina pare. Ay, pala, magandang gagawa na ng video, puta. Ay, wholesome lang pala Mirinda. No, you're so wholesome video. Sorry, guys. Because I was raised in, Okay. So, I think I'm the winner. I didn't see the last word. Um, okay. Guys, all of you are actually doing the Chubby Bunny thing video in YouTube. But in our case, because we are so intelligent and Mirinda is, weird, just ugly duckling. Anyway, so this is the difference.
Jessica?
Now we're going to put this in our mouth and say the word,
The world?
the word, tang inis, Chubby Bunny. Timer?
This?
Yeah. Game on?
Okay.
And I have to swallow everything. It's very long. Oh,
We're going to put only.
of course. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Ayoko na, busis na buhay to. Ayoko na.